What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the musical lab and I hit and I smashing out. Bang, you know, people, you already know what we do, you know, already know what time it is. Yeah, man, that mafia. See what we are doing today. Yeah, man, we're back in the music club with one of our favorite artists react over. Yeah, so the artist is no stranger to the channel. We are talking about Mr. Dwelling Night Darkness, Mr. One Bodo Chap, Mr. Darky, you know. Darky, no. Yeah, man, we are talking about, I don't know, other than Kraff man himself. You see me, I don't want to entitled Ruff C. We're going to check it out and see what I got deal with. Yeah, man, guys, and you don't know what time it is. If you're new to the channel, you don't know. Yo, matter of fact, that mafia clapping yourself. You see me? I appreciate the love and support. Yeah, man, we just hit a goal of 2K. And we're going to shoot past 2K. You know what I'm saying? We already shot past 2K. And we're headed straight to 10K. So we're not even stopping at 5K. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe button. Join the family, join the vibes, join the energy. Be a reactions, and we also go live and chopping about different topics going on in music and in dancehall scene overall in Caribbean. You know what I'm saying? So definitely join the family. Yeah, man, guys, this is what I do today. Today we got Kraff and he drop a new song entitled Ruff C. I'm gonna check it out. You see me? See, dog drop calm C, you know, now dog drop Ruff C. You see me? So I check it out and see what dog do with. But before we even get into that, I already went over that. Yeah, man, hit the like and subscribe and join the family. You see me? Oh yeah. The goal for this month, 500 subs. You don't know. We already started off. We already had 60 subs already. So hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know, guys. You don't know. I try it. Even more than that. You know, we definitely do more than that. But you know, we just just trying to keep on track with the goals and everything. Trying to 10K before the end of the year. So you know, the goal for this month is 500 subs. So hit the like and subscribe button. Become part of that. Be part of that. The goal, and then you know. Let me know if you're a new subscriber so you can get a shout out and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So when you subscribe, drop new subscriber, drop a comment and all that, you get a shout out on the screen like always. I don't know, man. But let me say, yeah, Kraff dropping new song entitled Ruff C with a video. I'm sure I've been react to this. They are procrastinating and I be lazy, but we're gonna check it out right now and see what Kraff man I deal with. I don't know Kraff, no stranger to the channel. You see me, Kraff always doing things. We rate Kraff over here, so you see me? Yeah. We're doing a little bit of darkness, you know. You see me, we're doing so I check it out and see what dog I deal with today. Like me, I said, this is not all the vibes. I'm trying. This is Kraff Ruff C. Let's get it.
I still now heard him this. Come on, Pat.
Okay. Stino. Me always hear Kraff and mention Stino. Is a producer that? Yo, Stino. A couple strong well me dog to Stino. I producer. I'm make them beater. Yeah, man, if I that, man, yeah, man, big up yourself, Stino, man.
Chipper one part, yeah, mad.
For real, one part, for real, man. Chipper one part, man, how I go on?
Come on. You want that pussy ramp with the millions. Shut a man no dog and no response. Spend a brick and send a sin up on a kickstand. Zoom zeng pan it tire the friction. Blink and kill one, put him in a hit song.
Well, let me wait for the BS hit. The BS I hit on the one I can catch me have garden, but the anticipation upon the one I build up a walk one.
3 killer mass up in a Nissan. 3K fully chip up in a heat hand. Tell Nachi fling 39 gram. Anyway we fling bam, senseless minions. I saw the killer them dance with the big pan. Mad head panic crime out the slingshot.
Hey, where is that? Where's that mask from? I can't remember what is that from Batman, the Joker? Let me remind me where that mask. No. I think that's from one of them rubber movie. No, where's that mask, guys? Comment down below where you know what movie that mask is from. No, that's from Purge. Ain't that from Purge? Yeah, I think that's from one of the new Purge. Let me know in that comment section where you saw that. What movie that mask from?
Me killer them chipper one part. 16 pa me belly pa me hipper one part. Hey. Mommy say me head sick a one part. Tennessee pa ne rocks me a sipper one part.
The dog say, Mummy say me head sick of one part. The dog say, I travel with it. Easy, all of them. All of the guys, I like this. I ain't gonna lie to you. I fuck with it. This is a vibe. I'm gonna take it from yourself.
Me killer them chipper one part. 16 pa me belly pa me hipper one part.
Man, the killer them chipper one part. 16 pa me belly chipper one. Easy na man, come in.
Mummy say me head sick of one part. Tennessee pa ne rocks me a sipper one part. Sleep walk pop, kill and get dark. I saw the sinner get lit a one part. Bag just land, spend a brick a one bar.
Man say sleepwalk, pop pill and get dark.
Turn on me killer and no come on. Put it on panic, bossy with a one on. Play with the trigger. Till it hammer pop, shut a man, shut a gal. Had it bang at that, ooh, that attack if you know me.
Dog, that easy though.
Bada man, travel with the clip on the M4 banana. Now you put a M on your head, bro. Dalalat, dalalat. Sinna dem a to be a go pop pill and page your portal and break up map stick and Drake head sick and.
I must say, killing them at Trinidad and to be a go pop pill and page your. I'm tell you. Trinidad, you know what I'm saying? Big up the Trinidad thugs them. I have to them, man.
Stay so to back and wake your tree black and drape your cake, clap and shake your. And me say sick a one part. Me killer them cheap a one part. 16 pa me belly pa me hip a one part.
Unna yeah man part.
Mommy say me head sick a one part. Tennessee pa the rocks me a sip a one part. Sleepwalk pop pill and get dark.
Man say sleepwalk pop pill and get dark.
I saw the sinner get lit a one part. Bag just land spin a brick a one bar. Head chip a one part. Me got a clip in a Glock. Check a chip in a watch.
You know, hey, this is a vibe. This is a vibe. This. Yo, if they don't play this at party, bro. They don't. Yo, them DJ are listen. Yo, I'm in a party. I hear them say, head chip a one part. You see me? Any see man, I see one party after mash out. This is definitely a club banger, dog. You see me? But most of the artists, I don't know if it's spinning the tune them. I mean, tune and connecting and vibe. Hey, yo, I need to go.
He want a brick in a stash. Hear about grip in a bag, consume, sleep, bleed, and dwell in a chop. Fell in love with these keys, and me never turn back.
Listen, no, man, yo, be able
to pill the peonies, and you better learn that. Cup a kill when it's squeeze, yeah, so we serve shot.
You might say, cup a when it's squeeze. That's how we serve shots around here, yo. Like a bartender, I'm here, yo. Yo, that mad. Big up yourself, Kraff. Done. You see me? Kraff definitely doing him thing, man. One of the best dancehall artists out right now. You know what I'm saying? Dog, energy and style and everything. Definitely dope and unmatched. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Kraff and Mali, you know, Kraff doing him thing, man. Big up to Kraff, man. And, you know, the whole. Yeah, the one Bodo chap, you know, the Bodo chap, big up on yourself, you know what I'm saying? The Bodo chap, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I Bodo, you Bodo, we all Bodo. See me? Yeah, man, big up yourself, Kraff, but yeah, man, real Kraff style and thing, man, dog, energy and everything, you know? Dog, have him own lean and, you know? Yeah, man. That real dope, that's Kraff, and that man too, cause in Japan, Calm Sea, and Calm Sea was a blood clean. Calm Sea was blow, like, it's like calm and deadly. People don't even get that either, dog. You know what I'm saying? Calm Sea, and then they come with the rough sea, you know. You know what I'm saying? The rough sea, dog, is the vibe, the energy. You know, it's a rough. You know, I can't go the rough sea, you know what I'm saying? The Calm Sea, like a dog dope. Playing words and everything, and the two songs, them mad. You know what I'm saying? Big up to Kraff. Me rate that. Definitely a vibe. Definitely getting added to the playlist, you know what I'm saying? This is definitely a playlist banger, you know what I'm saying? So this definitely getting added to playlist. This me can't say this anyone vibe. It doesn't depend on the ends I build. You see me, I go to the club with the thugs them, I driving you know, I got a party, you want to play this in the car if you get the energy up, and you want to hear it when you're reaching at the club when the energy up. You know what I'm saying? Then you want to hear it at the after party. You know? Yeah, man, it's a vibe. Big up yourself, Kraff, you know what I'm saying? Kraff doing him thing. Yeah, man, guys, I know one thing, but I want to jump in the comments section. If you like, show the artist and love and support, make you know say Jambisco and send you. You see me? And if you want me to react to something, just let me know. You're gonna get, if it's chosen, you're gonna get your shout out. You're gonna see your comments like always. You know what I'm saying? So drop your comments, participate, so you can get your shout out. See your name on screen. All that. You don't know, I'm joining the gang, man. The latest YouTube. The latest YouTube reacting, the latest music channel, the latest vibes, everything over here. So just join, become part of the family, and check out the lives. You know what I'm saying? Check out the lives. We'll be talking about, we'll be doing live reactions, and also be checking out and talking about different topics in the music, entertainment, and the Caribbean and all. You know what I'm saying? So definitely you want to stay tuned for all of that. You don't know, guys. Till next time, it's up. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.